approaching the Bourne Rotary here.
Half a mile. Use the left 2 lanes, then at the roundabout take the second
Most people don't see the sign coming up here. It says 40 miles per hour. Shortly after this 40 mile per hour sign, where these blinking yellow lights are, it says 25 miles an hour. Now I'm driving a company vehicle and I get a safety bonus. So you can be sure when I go through that 40 sign and through this 25 sign that that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. That noise you heard, and I was doing a little too fast. Now most people, they don't want to go 25 all the way to the Rotary here. Most people are doing 40 and 50. And, well, I guess I don't blame them. They're not getting a safety bonus, but when you roll into a Rotary that's 25 miles an hour,
roundabout, take the second exit on State Route 28 North.
You're best off rolling into it at 25 or less. Then you can just kind of merge in like clockwork. Now don't forget, it doesn't hurt to put a blinker on, just to signal your intention. Let the people up ahead trying to get into the Rotary know which way you're going. And then put the blinker on when you're exiting. Now I know a lot of people are not going to do this because most people aren't conscious when they're driving, but it could help prevent some accidents. Now for the bridge. You can ride up against this 18-inch curb here, and it's not easy. Some guys will tell you it is. You'll see a lot of these little chrome nut covers up on the sidewalks. And then you'll see the buses and stuff using both lanes. But I'll tell you what, I've been passed by an 18-wheeler in this right lane. Have them come right up and pass me. Now if there's two on the other side doing that, right at the peak here where we all meet, mirrors side by side, and you take the mirror off of the driver next to you, going in the opposite direction, good luck catching up to him. So if I happen to slow you down doing 40 miles an hour over this bridge, I am sorry. Hopefully you will get over it, and then you can speed on. Anyway, hope you all have a blessed day, and try not to get in an accident out here. See ya.